Welcome to English Practice Every Day. Objective of this channel is to make you, the viewers, to be able to speak correct and fluent English. Here I would like to tell you, my viewers, about myself. I am not a native speaker, but I myself learned English by listening constantly and repeating whatever I listen to. It is the only way to be able to speak correct and fluent English. Today, all my internal processes like thinking, writing, reading, and speaking happen in English. I also wrote a novel in English. So I cannot stress enough the importance that you, the viewers, must keep practicing with patience and discipline on a daily basis. If you want to be fluent in English, you cannot escape repetitive practice of English. That's exactly what we attempt to do on this channel. English practice every day. Practice makes your organs of speech, your tongue, your mind, and your ears familiar with correct English. In lesson 6, where I stressed what is wrong English, I spoke wrong English, such as he don't, she don't, my friend don't, or he didn't knew, I didn't understood. This kind of wrong English I had to force myself to speak because my tongue, mind, and ears are tuned to correct English. Even now, I forced myself to speak this wrong English. This is exactly what should happen to you. You should spot wrong English immediately, and your tongue, mind, and ears should hesitate to speak wrong English. This is possible only if you go through a lot of practice. I think I have stressed enough the importance of practice. Now let's move on to today's practice of speaking correct English that we learned in lesson 6. Before we proceed with today's practice, I would like to remind you of our rules that I urge you to follow. I will pause for a few seconds. Please read them. This is the practice of our constructive rule number 1, group 1 from lesson 6, which says I, we, you, they, plural of people or things, is always followed by don't and is never followed by doesn't. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. I don't drink coffee. I don't drink coffee. I don't eat seafood. I don't eat seafood. I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to swim. I don't enjoy horror movies. I don't enjoy horror movies. I don't speak English fluently. I don't speak English fluently. I don't have a driver's license. I don't have a driver's license. I don't understand quantum physics. I don't understand quantum physics. We don't eat meat. We don't eat meat. We don't own a vehicle. We don't own a vehicle. We don't seek revenge. We don't seek revenge. We don't ask for forgiveness. We don't ask for forgiveness. We don't enjoy hot beverages. We don't enjoy hot beverages. We don't watch much television. We don't watch much television. We don't like going to crowded places. We don't like going to crowded places. We don't have any plans for the weekend. We don't have any plans for the weekend. You don't work out, do you? You don't work out, do you? You don't like coffee, do you? You don't like coffee, do you? You don't need to worry about it. You don't need to worry about it. You don't understand the theory? You don't understand the theory? You don't carry luggage, do you? You don't carry luggage, do you? You don't explain yourself properly. You don't explain yourself properly. You don't rush into such delicate matters. You don't rush into such delicate matters. You don't have to do it alone. We can help you. You don't have to do it alone. We can help you. They don't have any pets. They don't have any pets. They don't know how to dance. They don't know how to dance. They don't like public speaking. They don't like public speaking. They don't understand the idea. They don't understand the idea. They don't watch horror movies. They don't watch horror movies. They don't play musical instruments. They don't play musical instruments. They don't enjoy going to the beach. They don't enjoy going to the beach. They don't like waking up early in the morning. They don't like waking up early in the morning. My friends don't enjoy hiking. My friends don't enjoy hiking. My friends don't attend parties. My friends don't attend parties. My friends don't have any pets. My friends don't have any pets. My friends don't like spicy foods. My friends don't like spicy foods. My friends don't play video games. My friends don't play video games. My friends don't know how to swim. My friends don't know how to swim. My friends don't watch horror movies. My friends don't watch horror movies. My friends don't go to crowded places. My friends don't go to crowded places. Fruits don't all taste the same. Fruits don't all taste the same. Things don't always go according to plan. Things don't always go according to plan. Colors don't affect everyone in the same way. Colors don't affect everyone in the same way. Results don't always turn out the way we expect. Results don't always turn out the way we expect. Batteries don't last forever, they degrade over time. Batteries don't last forever, they degrade over time. Success stories don't happen overnight, they require time and effort. Success stories don't happen overnight, they require time and effort. Material things don't make you happy, experiences and relationships do. Material things don't make you happy, experiences and relationships do. In our next practice session, we will practice constructive rule number 1, group 2, which says, he, she, it, singular of a person or a thing, is always followed by doesn't and is never followed by don't. Please remember, the purpose of this practice is to get your tongue, your mind, and your ears so familiar with associating certain word groups together that you will hesitate to speak wrong English and even spot wrong English in others immediately. That's all for this session. Bye for now.